Okay, let me tell you, Gene, I've never been happier to see a face in a long time. Former Assistant U.S. Attorney. We weren't sure we were going to get Gene, and I was like, oh, man, if I have to go against Geragos, this is going to get ugly early. All right, so first, to the panel, does anybody take objection to anything I said before I came to you?
Yes.
All right, what's your problem, Rossi?
Let me give you some
tie's
history.
Crooked. Nobody cares. Go ahead.
That's okay. That's okay. The Trump Justice Department prosecuted Michael Cohen. The Trump Justice Department killed the case before Merrick Garland took office in the spring of 2021. So when you say that they decided not to prosecute the case, that's not 100% accurate. Bill Barr, who was a lapdog for Donald Trump, killed this case. The second thing
hold on, Rossi. Nobody's going to
ahead.
argue that you're not stronger than I am, of course. That's why I have you on the show. You're one of the better minds. But let's just keep it simple for the mouth breathers like me, all right? Did they look at the case? The answer is yes. Did they decide to prosecute the case? The answer is no. You are ascribing motivation for why they did not prosecute the case. So what I said is accurate. You're just saying you don't like it. Mark Geragos, who's right, me or the other Italian?
Well, the Armenian tiebreaker here is, in one way, you're both right. What Rossi says is true, and there's people who can make that claim. But I was going to tell you, Chris, this was one of the few monologues that you went through that I was agreeing with you the entire time, and I was starting to doubt myself.
Must be the fever.
Because of that. I mean, it was shocking to me. And I'll tell you, the one thing that I'd love to hear Gene weigh in on is, if you accept what Gene said is accurate, it is accurate, then why did the current SDNY wait until the last minute to give the DA's office all of the discovery specifically related to Michael Cohen? Because that was kind of a last-minute problem, if you will, for the prosecution, and it gave the defense something to argue. So that would seem to undercut the idea that there's a politicalization of the Justice Department.
Chris, I got to respond here.
Please.
I represented Keith Davidson. We all know who Keith Davidson was.
Keith Davidson is the lawyer who cut the deal for Stormy Daniels. He was the one working directly with Cohen.
Okay. When the Southern District Trump Justice Department,
he's been in my office multiple times representing clients who were coming after my clients. I know him well.
But Chris, my punchline is for Mark. And good to see you, Mark. Maybe we'll have lunch someday. But I met with the prosecutors. There were 4 of them. They were Justice Department folks, Southern District, brilliant, under Trump. And I can tell you categorically that they would have come within this much of prosecuting Donald Trump if they got the okay. The evidence against Donald Trump, based on my experience in the proffers and meetings with the prosecutors and my client, Keith Davidson, against Mr. Trump was overwhelming. So to say that they didn't think they had a case against Donald Trump, that's not accurate.
They didn't bring one. Mark Geragos. Do you believe that today what we saw with Michael Cohen was, here, let's do the main question. He was left last because best for last, or he was left last because he's the most mixed bag for the jury?
He's clear. Look, there's nobody who's going to say, and if they do, I would check I check their sanity. No juror is going to come out after this case, whether it's hung, whether it's a guilty, and by the way, those are the only 2 things that are going to happen, and say, oh, you know what, I was ready to acquit, and then Michael Cohen saved the day. That's just not going to happen. The prosecutors know what they had. They figured we're going to save him for last, and they're going to say in closing arguments some variation on a theme that they teach you at Prosecutorial 101 school, which is, we don't pick our witnesses. We get who we've got. When you lay down with dogs, you wake up with fleas, blah, blah, blah. The usual litany of things that they say. And that the reason they say that is they know that he's got problems.
Hey, thank you for watching. please go to newsnationnow.com, newsnationnow.com, and you can find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button down below. Then you will get more of NewsNation's fact-driven coverage.